All right, let's dive into one of math's biggest mysteries, the weird dance between prime numbers and chance.
So you have total randomness over here and perfect predictable order over on this side with prime numbers.
How could they possibly be connected? It seems crazy, but a hidden link could change everything. To get to the bottom of this, we first need to meet some giants who weren't afraid of infinity. Each of them tackled infinity differently, with logic, big problems, and in one case, pure gut intuition.
Even the great G.H. Hardy was floored, at first calling Ramanujan's ideas wild and unbelievable.
But for decades, the mystery just sat there. How does randomness connect to something as solid as numbers?
Then, in 2001, a breakthrough. These mathematicians finally built the bridge between those two worlds. They showed that a random path's behavior could be translated, like a Rosetta Stone, into the world of primes.
So, what does this connection actually look like? Well, the result is just absolutely beautiful. What you're seeing is a torus. It literally wraps the randomness of heat flow inside the math of primes.
And if you plot it another way, you get this amazing spiral. But it's more than just a pretty shape.
See that? The spiral hits the dead center for every single solution that's related to a prime number. And at the very heart of this are a few special primes, tying physics, geometry, and number theory together. Okay, so all of this points to the biggest unsolved problem in math, the Riemann hypothesis.
Yep, there's $1 million prize for proving it. And this new connection, it might just be the key.
Basically, it turns the whole problem into a question about whether a sequence of random numbers is always positive. And here's the kicker. So far, every single number they've checked has been positive. That's huge. So what's the big deal? Why does this even matter? Well, it might just explain the universe itself.
It suggests that the building blocks of math, the primes, follow the same rules as a random speck of dust.
So maybe chance and certainty are just two different ways of saying the same thing. What do you think?